Hello, Jenna here to share this customer order that's going out today, and I thought it was a really good example of how to get started with Tapestry. So they've ordered an Everlea Tapestry Loom kit, which comes with 6 Everlea card bobbins and the Everlea Tapestry Loom that I make in maple. It's also available in walnut or maple walnut, which is this loom here, a mix of the two. It comes with the cotton warp, and then this customer also ordered 5 extra yarns, which the listing is a surprise Everlea Fingering surprise set, and in that set you get 1 free, so you pay for 4 and you get the 5th one free. So this person has plenty of yarn for a few projects on this loom. And speaking of projects, the kit comes with this Weave a Sunset online pre-recorded course with me free. So they can weave that, and then what I would suggest for this customer as a next possible project is weave an Everlea Gradient, because these colors that are coming with their kit, and any colors that come with any kit, I try to make it really workable in terms of weaving this project, because with any project it is good to have a variety of different values, so a variety of lights, mediums, and dark colors, which is what's important for this project. And this is called Weave an Everlea Gradient, which is another pre-recorded online course, and it comes free with my Everlea Colour Club subscription, which is where you get 5 yarns a month in a unique Everlea Gradient. So this project here uses 2 months worth of Everlea Gradient yarn, or Everlea Colour Club yarn. So if you follow this purple, it goes from dark purple, and this line goes down to a lighter and lighter and lighter purple. And then, so that's 1 month's worth of Colour Club, with lots of yarn left over, by the way. And then this yellow, which was the next month's Colour Club colorways, goes from yellow to coral, to corals and greens, to greens. So I might suggest that this customer either sign up for the Everlea Colour Club to continue to get 5 of these yarns per month in their mailbox, or just buy the course for $35 and use these yarns. And there's plenty of yarn here for them to weave both a sunset and an Everlea Gradient.